Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone XR from Metro PCS. So you may need to travel outside of your country and use the phone with another carrier, or you may just want to be able to have the freedom to choose whichever carrier and plan you want to use, so that you don't have to have the restriction of just using one carrier. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock it. Alright, so I'm going to have all the information and resources down below in the description to the tool that we're going to be using for this video. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here we have the iPhone XR. This one is from Metro PCS. Metro PCS iPhone XR. So let's go ahead and remove the SIM card so that I can show you what happens when you place in a different SIM card that's from another carrier. So we're gonna place in the T-Mobile SIM card. I have a T-Mobile SIM card right here. So we're gonna place it in the SIM card tray like this. So go ahead and place it into the iPhone XR. And automatically it's going to take us to the activation screen because since the iPhone is locked to Metro PCS and we're putting in a SIM card from another carrier, it's going to take us to this activation screen and it's going to say SIM not supported here since the iPhone is locked. There you go, SIM not supported. So that's probably the same message you're getting if your iPhone is locked. So now all we need to do is unlock it. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. Let's remove the T-Mobile SIM card for a second. Let's place it down. And how we're going to unlock it is we're going to unlock it with this special little white SIM card. There's going to be a link down below in the description where you can get it. So you just place it into the SIM card tray just like any other SIM card. Place it in the iPhone. Okay, and once again, it's going to take us to the activation screen here. Hit continue. So it is going to say SIM not supported once again, but this time that we have the unlock chip in here, we're going to do something to unlock it. So we're going to press the power button, hold it until this menu appears. Then we're going to hit emergency call. Here we're going to dial star 5005 star 7672 star 00 pound. So once you have that dialed in just like that, go ahead and hit the green dial button. And it's going to say input ICCID. So this is where you're going to put in the correct ICCID. We're going to have a link down below in the description where you can get the most updated ICCID. And that's what we're going to put in here. So the current one is 8901 4104 2792 0259 7449. Once you have that typed in correctly, hit send and it's gonna just say done. So select accept down here. There you go. Once you're out of that screen, we're gonna go ahead and power the phone off. So I'll swipe to power it off. Alright, so once it's completely off, go ahead and power it back on. Alright, so it's going to initiate in this screen once again. We're going to go ahead and hit continue. But this time, since we have the unlock chip in there and we put in the correct ICCID, it's going to unlock the phone and it's going to bypass this and activate the phone. There we go. As you can see, it activated the phone, it bypassed it, so it is now unlocked. It still has the unlock chip in there. That's why it just says searching. So now that we unlocked it, now we can go ahead and remove the unlock chip. Let's go ahead and take it out. Here it is. Let's put it down and let's place the whichever SIM card you want to use. In this case, T-Mobile. Let's place it in there. And you no longer need to keep the unlock chip in there. You can just remove the unlock chip and only keep the SIM card that you're going to use in the phone. So there you go. It looks like it picked up signal, T-Mobile, and it's ready to go. And calls, text messages, and data will work normally as it should. Alright, and that is how you unlock your iPhone XR from Metro PCS. There we go. That is how you unlock your iPhone XR. So hope that video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a like And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.